Hello from sunny South Carolina. Perfect weather today. I wish I could have stayed home and did some more stuff in the garage and on the property, but I had to do errands because I got a lot of stuff from the auction last night and Saturday. So last night I got these molds. Now I have a wall that I have these all displayed in. I did not have the lobster or the chicken or this. So all three of these were $4. Let's see, I got these leather wrist guards. So that was $2. I got a pair of them. And these are these are cookie jars, or maybe it's more, they're 3 different sizes. Like the canister sets you would use with for your sugar and flour. And I came up with the way last night, had an idea of what I wanted to do in an area that's not working out, and I'm going to display my cottage teapots and cookie jars like this. This crate and this clear plastic with the lid. The lid's cracked, so I'll tape that. Was $6. No, I take that back. Yeah, it was $6. So, and then I had a whole bunch of other totes, and that was $7. They were empty. I got 2 demijohns. These gallon glass jars, 2 of them. They were separate. I got them for $3 each. This green tote doesn't have a lid, and it's kind of nasty in there. And these are melamine. It's got a big melamine bowl. I got those, let's see, I think $3. That was from Saturday, so no one else bid on that. Got 8 cups and how many bowls? 5 bowls and 1 big serving bowl. So this, I wanted something light and durable for camping. Because I don't like to drink out of paper or plastic or styrofoam and or metal. Sometimes the metal just transfers the heat too much. So I basically was bidding on the hamper, what do you call this? Laundry basket, actually. Listed as a hamper and miscellaneous objects. I got it for $2 last night's auction, Monday. No one else bid on this. I am not keeping, I had no idea what all was in here. Some sunglasses, little teddy bears, Wells Fargo, it looked like some sort of promo, Batman. I'll be sober tomorrow, but you'll be ugly for the rest of your life. Nice. Balloons. Now this is interesting. These are spring-loaded, and I don't know what they're used for. To look this up, but there's 2 of them, and that's the stuff when you bid on something. I'll show you another box, but that you know, I don't need these Christmas stockings. Don't know what that is. Tyrannosaurus Rex pillowcase. So I don't care about keeping any of this. Is that a beanie? I don't know. Not a biggie for me. And this box lot, nobody bid against me. Go figure. And it was $3, Saturday's thing. Cute Scottish shortbread, little tin. Crayola. Milky Way. I didn't care about that. I saw this. Oh well, let me pull the other stuff out to get them out of the way. These are kind of cute. Not my style. Be re-gifted or sold or donated or something. This is what I was going for. I know what this goes to, and this does not go to, well, it fits. Wherever, aluminum. But this should go onto a pan, and it's a steamer. Like making dim sum. This actually goes to a ricer. I've got one of these already that goes to another set. So didn't know that they fit on here. Interesting. And then this came like this, but obviously it goes together. It's got some tiny holes in here. 7 holes, 1 in the center, 6 around the edges, and this. And it's indented to slide together. I don't know what this goes to, obviously. Again, something steam. Something to do with coffee for some reason, I'm thinking. I actually like this. I didn't notice that in the image when I bid it online. I've got a plate holder. Let's see. It says Taylor Smith, a number. And this is kind of, I think it's neat looking. It's a coffee urn. The electrical cord did not come with it. It does have the perk stuff inside, along with something kind of gross looking. Fire King on that, but so maybe I can find, whoops, yeah, brown stuff. Universal, don't put in water. I don't think this is that Fire King green. Remove this cap to replace the fuse. So I don't know, but I just thought that's kind of neat looking. I think that's kind of not that I'll keep it. I don't know. So this was $3 for all of that. Nobody else bid on this because even though the top is cast iron, this is cast aluminum. This is like nothing. And I think that'll fit one of my, I actually bought it for the lid, and it was only $3 for all of that. The containers, the wire shelves, and the container further back, I'll pull it out. I can't reach it without crawling in. But that's got another container in there. That's an airtight, smaller container that I've got some ones already similar to it that I'm using for seed storage. It's got some collapsible bins, and that green container I showed earlier, all together was $7. And I was really going after this and the smaller container that's in there. So, little shelves. Oops, sorry. And this wire rack, it's welded, it's attached, it doesn't come apart. I thought it, oh wait a minute. nope, it doesn't. Can't. Looks like it's painted. Look. Yep, nope, it's glazed on there. But 3 shelves. It's wider than the normal, I think it's 8 inches. And it came with these 2. I did not know, but this is expandable. So you can make this wider or shorter. They're trays. I was thinking drying racks. Paper artwork, something. So those 3 items were where are they? So I don't tell you the wrong price. Rolling carton racks, $3. And then this cooler was only $2. It's large. The inside's good. It is damaged, and that's why no one else bid on it. I got it for $2. I have to empty my freezers. There's some things I got to do, and just got to clean them out. And the 2 coolers I have, 3 coolers, and the cooler bags. Just I think I would be more comfortable using this. So just clean out the insides, and then I'll be doing that later this week. So I got this aluminum 8-foot ladder. As far as I can tell, there's nothing wrong with it. No one else bid on it. I got it for $3. Then there's 2 louver doors. They're closet doors. And I got them for $3. No one else bid on them. It didn't come with the hardware, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them apart, take the hinges, reuse the hinges. And I'm actually going to use these as sides for a shelf I'm going to build for our DVDs and VHS tapes. So instead of buying lumber, I think this is going to be a little bit more interesting. And I'll be able to, the shelves don't have to be, they're not going to be very thick because it's not going to be that wide. And it's going to be taller than one door. Taller than the average size. I forget the height. But anyway, I'll have to cut the other one down because I want it going all the way up to the ceiling. So I'll still be left with the parts of the other one. Down below on the truck bed is a dog crate. And that one cost me $10. It's collapsible. I'm going to actually use that for chicken and moving stuff around. So I wanted that, and it doesn't take up much space. These are metal bed frames. I didn't know, but that's good. I'm going to take them apart. These are not going to be used for beds. Well, garden beds maybe. Using the 3 of them to make like a trellis. And so that's a outdoor project. This chair is not metal, it's plastic. So I'm just going to put this out for me to sit on up here. And then these 2 chairs, they're armed. They have, let me get this back. They have the arms on them. So captain's chairs, whatever you want to call them. $6 for both of them. So I'm going to paint them green. There's some, I don't know if I did that. That looks fresh. I don't think this wouldn't have done it. Anyway, I'm going to paint this a bright green and find some fabric and recover that. So they'll be at the dining room table. And let's see, did I forget anything? Oh, all 3 of these, and they're sturdy, came out to $2. All 3 of them for $2. The big item is that grill. That one, I got the side things down. It's a charcoal. Got that gas grill last year. This one, I've seen similar ones for $400. It's got the adjustable halves, the inside of it, half, you can run them separately or have them on the same level, do different things on one side or the other. It's, but I got that for $27.50, and that was what it went for online, so nobody at the auction bid on it. At the auction itself, it was only on the online. I had it up to 30, so someone had to start at, I think, 35 to beat me, so nobody bid on it. So I won it. Yay! Now to put things away. I'm tired. I've been gone all day. So that's my auction for last Saturday and last night, Monday. So Saturday and Monday. And I definitely could not fit all this in my car. Last week, it was funny what I got into my car. Whoops. And I was not going to do that again. I need to get some lumber, so I got to get this done. So tomorrow I'm going to get some more stuff. But this is the most I've spent on a 2-day auction thing, or 1 day even. One of the Saturdays was the highest I ever did because of that grill. And there wasn't a lot of people bidding on stuff. So, thanks for joining me. Be a blessing and be blessed.